Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Микки, большая кинозвезда. Часть вторая, страница 113, 114, 115. English, Starlight 3. Mickey is a big film star. Homework, part number 2, page number 114, 114, 115. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 113. 113. My world. Exercise number 3. Find the words in the text. Найдите слова в текстах. Hi, I'm Volk. I like to chase zayas. I can play the guitar and ride a motorbike. I can dance and skate too. I am very clever wolf. Hello, my name is Zаяц. I'm a hare and Volk always tries to catch me. Sometimes I have Volk when he is in trouble. The answer: hare, skate, wolf, motorbike. Boys and girls, we must exercise number 4. Draw or stick a picture of your favorite cartoon character. Present it to the class. Нарисуйте или приклейте изображение любимого мультипликационного персонажа. Представьте его классу. The answer: Mickey Mouse is the little grey mouse. He's from Gollywood, and Gollywood is in the USA. Mickey is a big film star. You can often see the mouse on television, and you can listen to his songs too. Mickey is an American mouse, and he speaks English. But he doesn't speak it very often in his films. Mickey can do a lot. He can swim, sing funny songs, and play the piano. He often runs, jumps, drives cars, rides bikes, and dances. Mickey has a friend. Her name is Minnie. Minnie is a she mouse. Minnie is from Hollywood, too. She is always where Mickey is. She likes what Mickey likes, and she hates what he hates. All children and a lot of parents like Mickey and me. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 114, 114. Exercise number 1. Say which part we eat. Скажите, какую часть мы едим? The answer: bulb, root, leaves, fruit, seeds. Carrot, tomato, garlic, corn, lettuce. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Make your veggie power salad. Сделай свой энергетический овощной салат. The answer: my salad is peas, tomatoes, cucumbers, corn. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 115. 115. Go green. Exercise number 3. Read and complete. Прочти и найди слова. A green vegetable. It's nice in sandwiches. This fruit is always on pizzas. This vegetable makes your food tasty. Rabbits love this vegetable. This vegetable is sweet. The answer: lettuce, tomato, garlic, carrot, corn. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.